Hi friends, hope you are safe and fine. Myself Shreya Matri and today's topic of my video is digestive system. So please watch my video till the end. So friends, we will understand about the process of digestive system. Friends, mainly there are five important steps, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So friends, let's we talk about these steps briefly. First step is ingestion, in which we keep the food inside our mouth. Second step is digestion, in which the complex food components are broken down into simpler molecules. Third step is absorption, in which the digestive food is absorbed through the walls of intestine. Fourth step is assimilation, in which the digested food or absorbed food is delivered in each and every cell of the body to produce energy. And the last step is egestion, in which the unwanted or waste food is excreted out through our body. So friends, let's come to the topic. As we eat the food that is rich in carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins or minerals, and through this we get energy for doing our daily activities. So when we intake the food through mouth, our salivary gland starts working by mixing saliva in food, which helps to swallow the food easily. Then food passes through our food pipe, which is also known as oesophagus. Below it there comes liver, and it is reddish brown in color. It secretes bile juices for the digestion of food, and we surprised to know that our liver contains 500 activities daily. Below it here comes a cream colored gland which is known as pancreas. It releases pancreatic juices for the digestion of proteins, carbohydrates or the fats. Below it there comes the stomach, and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. The stomach produces three inner linings, where the number one is mucus. It protects the inner lining of the stomach. Second is hydrochloric acid, which kills the bacteria present in the food that we eat. And the third is digestive juices, which helps in the digestion of many complex substances such as proteins into simpler substance. Then below it comes the highly colloid structure known as the small intestine. Its length is almost 7.5 centimeter. The two glands, that is liver and pancreas, it secretes their digestive juices in the small intestine only, and small intestine also produces digestive juices on its own. It converts the carbohydrates into glucose, fats into fatty acids, and proteins into amino acids. The small intestine also contains the villi. The digested food gets into the blood vessels through villi and then reaches our whole body, where the three important steps, that is absorption through villi and assimilation, takes place. The small intestine has three main parts, or it is divided into three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum and ileum. The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine, whose main function is to initiate the digestive process. In this process, when the food enters our small intestine from the stomach, it broken down into simpler substance. Jejunum is the second part of the small intestine, and it is the middle part of it, and it contains the villi, and hence it undergoes the absorption and assimilation process. The third part of the small intestine is ileum, and it is the third part which contains villi like structure. The ileum absorbs vitamin B12, bile acids and other main nutrients from the food. Now after small intestine there comes the large intestine. The food that is left undigested from the small intestine it enters to the large intestine, and its length is up to 1.5 meter. The main function of the large intestine is to absorb water and salt from the undigested food. The rest of the food is passes through the rectum. So through rectum the undigested or wasted food is excreted out through our body from the anus. So we should drink lots or plenty of water to remove toxics from our body to remain fit and healthy. Thank you. So my today's question is, what is the other name of the food pipe? Please write your answer in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Meet you in our next video. Till take care. Bye.